South Korea's Innospace to launch rocket from Brazil in December. Official Brasilia. South Korean aerospace and protection company Innospace could be the first personal enterprise to ship up a rocket from the Alcântara launch middle in northern Brazil in December, Brazilian Space Agency President Carlos Moura instructed on Friday. Innospace, which plans to make low-cost small satellite TV for PC launches more accessible from more than one locations around the globe, continues to be growing its rocket and could take a look at it with an experimental launch from Alcântara, Moura stated in an interview. The South Korean startup is growing a hybrid rocket powered via each stable and liquid gasoline and could check the car in a suborbital flight in an effort to carry an inertial navigation device payload for the Brazilian Air Force (FAB) that operates the Alcântara base, the Brazilian agency stated. Brazil is hoping to get a slice of the swiftly developing small satellite TV for PC release market with the aid of presenting its base in Alcântara, whose place on the Atlantic coast by the equator reduces fuel expenses as satellites do not should journey up to now to get into orbit. U.S. rocket agency Hyperion pulled out of negotiations with Brazil, and Innospace took its location to emerge as the operator of the primary release location at Alcântara Base, which is run through the Brazilian Air Force. Canadian Aerospace Corporation C6 Launch Systems Inc., which ultimate 12 months acquired a Brazilian operator license, plans a launch from Alcântara in 2023, even as Virginia-based Orion AST, which plans launches to begin with aim toward gathering area junk, has no longer made any development, Moura said. Billionaire Richard Branson's Virgin Orbit has also received a license to perform in Brazil and could use Alcântara's present 2.6-kilometer (1.6-mile) runway for its Boeing NYSE BA 747 Cosmic Girl to take off and launch rockets that placed smallsats into low Earth orbit. Moura stated smaller satellite companies are having a difficult time reserving launches from existing websites, with ready lists up to 3 years, so Alcântara ought to come to be an opportunity. Although Elon Musk visited Brazil these days, his SpaceX has no plans to put money into a brand new installation consisting of Alcântara and will retain working from current websites inside the United States, Moura said. But if the wide variety of SpaceX flights increases hastily and the U.S. authorities comes to a decision to construct a facility in northern Brazil that would exchange, he stated.